Hi, Chris Morrissey with House Prospector, previewing homes in Coto de Caza today. Just walked out of a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, approximately just under 3,900 square foot home. Lot size on this is just under 7,000. So you got a good sized lot. Now, what's in the backyard is a swimming pool, hot tub. They also have a barbecue island. They have a built-in fire pit back there. So if you're looking for an entertainment area, this house has got it. Definitely has it. You have a 3-car garage, 2 on one side and 1 on the other. You can probably fit another, I would say, 3 cars in your driveway, and then there's all kinds of parking all the way around. Now, 1 bedroom is downstairs. It has its own private bathroom. Was it a full bathroom or at least a shower? I know that. And then there's another bathroom that's outside for guests. So it's just a half bathroom for guests that come to visit. Nicely laid out, hardwood floors all throughout the house, even including upstairs. The only area that's not hardwood floors are places like the kitchen, the bathrooms, and those are nicely tiled. So it's either hardwood floor or tiled, and it's really done very beautifully. You do have an open, well, not quite an open concept. It's kind of like a horseshoe, to where you come in. As you walk in, you're going to have the staircase to your left, and then you're going to walk into your living room area directly in. You go behind the staircase, and that's where you're going to find that 1 bedroom, the half bathroom. The 1 bedroom has its own bathroom, and then access to your 1-car garage. You go down the other way, and that's where your living or your dining room, den, kitchen, all there, and both the living room and the den area both open up into the backyard, so you do have direct access from both those areas. And even the 1st bedroom, they have a slider that has direct access that goes into your backyard as well. So all 3 of those regress or egress out into your backyard. You go down the hall past the kitchen. That's where your laundry room, pantry, and then your door to your 2-car garage. Now, going upstairs, it's nice because half the house is going to be your other 3 bedrooms, plus there is a bonus room up there. So what you can do is you have the 3 bedrooms, and then if you wanted to have it as either a TV room or maybe a study area, you can do that, and it's right in the middle. There is one of the smaller bedrooms that has their own private bathroom. The other 2 bedrooms share a bathroom, and then your master is kind of cut off to another side of the house, but it's beautiful. You've got like I said, hardwood floors all throughout. Most of the upstairs I noticed had, I didn't notice it downstairs, but most of the upstairs all had crown molding. The high ceilings all throughout. You also, when you go to your master bathroom, they have separate bathtub and separate shower. So that is separated. And then you have a huge walk-in closet. All in all, this was really nice. This is Bullock Russell listing. So come and see it. It's going to be on broker, well, it's on broker preview right now today, which is Friday. Tomorrow they're going to have an open house. So if this is something that would interest you, give me a call, 949-813-9185. I'll get you all the information, and we can come down and take a look at it. Hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next preview.